So I just saw this on Reddit. Let's take a look. It says confused. The question is we have f of x is equal to cosine x, and we would like to know what f prime of 3x is equal to. Alright, so for this right here, I think it's just a bad notation part, because this is what the original post did. So OP. Because if you take a look, we have the function f of x, which is cosine x, and then we can get the derivative, which is f prime of x, and that's just going to be negative sine x. Sure thing. And then we just have to plug in 3x into here, right? F prime 3x, so the answer is just negative sine of 3x. And I would say this is totally okay. Why is this wrong though? Well, it depends on how you interpret this right here. When you have f prime of 3x, are you going to take the derivative first and then plug in the 3x like this? Or are you going to be plugging 3x first and then take the derivative? So maybe this is how the question wanted you to be doing it. I think this is more like a chain rule question. So if you look at f of x, alright, let's just do like this. It's cosine x. Okay, and then if you plug in 3x inside first, which is cosine of 3x now, and then if you take the derivative of this, and I think this is just a really bad notation, seriously. You get negative sine of 3x, and then use the chain rule multiplied by the derivative of that, which is the 3. Yeah. So, in my opinion, I would just say don't ever write it like this. Don't ever write it like this, because you have two ways to interpret it. I personally will go for the first way. I think this is more natural way to interpret it. Let me know what you guys think though. Yeah, that's it.